90% of all pesticides you eat come from vegetables naturally?
What you see right here is the study these two have cited. Dietary pesticides, 99.99% all natural. I would like to point our attention to a quote that the authors made in the study. Caution is necessary in interpreting the implications of the occurrence in the diet of natural pesticides that are rodent carcinogens. It is not argued here that these dietary exposures are necessarily of much relevance to human cancer. Indeed, a diet rich in fruits and vegetables is associated with lower cancer rates. This may be because anti-carcinogenic vitamins and antioxidants come from plants. This is something that we've seen across all the scientific evidence. When we look at prospective cohort studies, people that tend to eat a healthy whole food plant-based diet, or, and this is key, eat a lot of the calories from whole plant-based foods, so they incorporate a small amount of animal-based products. These people have a lower risk for cancer.
Okay, so the author here is making an assumption which is not actually supported by the study. This is the author's opinion, not an objective fact. The study demonstrates objectively that plants have 10,000 times more naturally occurring toxins than the pesticides sprayed on them. This is objective fact. It's irrelevant what the author's opinion is in the editorial. I don't discount that vegetables have nutrient benefits. However, one can't deny that plants also have toxins and anti-nutrients. And for some people like me, the nutrients don't outweigh the inflammation. Isothiocyanates are the bioactive phytochemical from cruciferous vegetables. Glucosinolates are sulfur-containing compounds found in cruciferous vegetables such as kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. This is a 1996 PubMed study. The authors note, these observations are in contrast to earlier findings, which emphasized the anti-mutagenic effects of vegetable juices, and also raise the question whether greatly increased consumption of brassica vegetables or their concentrated constituents as a means for cancer prevention is indeed recommendable. What are they saying? They're questioning whether we even need vegetables to prevent cancer. The present findings clearly indicate that cruciferous vegetables have DNA-damaging constituents. In bacterial assays, all juices caused genotoxic effects. Juices of 8 brassica vegetables were used in experiments with mammalian cells. 6 of the juices induced structural chromosome aberrations. Brussels sprouts and white and green cabbage caused the strongest effects. In all juices, the genotoxic effects in mammalian cells were paralleled by a pronounced decrease in cell viability. Viability is the life of the cell, so a decreased viability means you're shortening the cell's life. Let me read to you the final words. On the basis of these findings, it seems likely that the genotoxic effects of the juices are due to specific constituents of cruciferous plants, such as glucosinolates and their breakdown products, in particular isothiocyanates, which we found previously to be potent genotoxins in bacterial and mammalian cells. Experiments showed that 70 to 80% of total genotoxic activity of the juices is found in the fraction which contains isothiocyanates and other breakdown products of glucosinolates. Well, there you have it. Do we really need vegetables to cure cancer? Now, I'm not saying you should cut out all vegetables. I'm just saying what I did to heal. By cutting them out for me, I was finally able to heal completely.